Hi guys, good morning to one and all. This is Jim Paisley. I am studying second BTech in Ashankara College of Institution and Technology. Today we know my seminar tech talk presentation is what is regular expansions in Python. First of all, we're discussing now what is regular expansion. Regular expansion is nothing but it is a expansion is a special sequence of character help you to match to or find other strings or sets of strings using a specialized syntax held to a pattern any format in regular expansion are widely used and Unix world is called a regular expansion. Now we now to discussing about a the module RA is one of the module provide full support for a part of like a regular expansions in Python. They are RA module raises the extension and re-dot error if an error occurring while compiling or using the regular expansion. We would never do important functions which would be used to handle regular expansion, but small things first. There are various characters which would have special meaning when they are used in regular expansion. To avoid any confusion while deleting and regular expansion, we would use review strings or expansions is called a regular expansion in Python. There are so many modules we can including of a regular expansion. See this one by one in briefly explanation about a regular expansions. First of all, the math function. The math function is nothing but we can define this function attempts to match array pattern to string with optional flags. There is the syntax for the function pattern description pattern. This is the regular expansion to a match string. This is a string which would be searched to match a pattern at the beginning of a string, and flags we can specify the different flags using the besides using bitwise or these are modifiers which is listed in the table below, and match object methods and description will be there, and group is equals to 0. This method returns entire match of specification group and group. The method returns matching the subgroups of a tuple and empty tuple will be there. We know. Next we can now example of math function import module of RE and line is equal to cats are smarter than dogs. We can call the class name next to ream.math or line re and module will be there. It is example for regular expansion of math module. Next we can now the search function. The search function begins using define as this is a define as this function searches for first occurrence of RU pattern with a string with optional flags. There is a syntax for this function RE.search and pattern.string and flag is equal to 0. Here is a description of patterns. Pattern description pattern. This is a regular expansion to match string. This is a string dot which would search to match the pattern anywhere in a string, and flag you can specify the different flags using the bitwise or these are you can specify the difference using it between or otherwise modifiers which are listed in a table below given that the RE search function returns a math object success none of the failure using the group or group function of math object get matched expressions. Next we can now matching the values of searching. Now define of matching value searching the Python offers we can assuming the and we can assuming Python often two different primitive operations based on regular expansions. Math checks for a math only at the beginning of the string, while search checks a math anywhere in the string. Is called a difference between matching values and searching. Next we can know regular expression of a modifiers of option plugs. Regular expansions and literally may include an optional modifier to control various aspects of a matching. The modifiers are specified as an optional flag. You can provide a multiple modifiers using the exclusive arget and as shown the previously and may be represented by only these modifiers and description. And RA module 1 and performs case of investing matching and RA module modifier 1 and interrupt to words according to the correct location. This interruption affects a alphabet group and module of M makes match the end of the line and re.s makes a period dot match any character including a new line and REU and interrupt letters according to the Unicode character set. This flag affects the behavior. And next to last we can discuss now and RE.X and permits a queue to regular expansion syntax and regular expansion patterns. Expect the control the characters and plus symbol or question mark and asterisk dollar, either it may be brackets array bracket curly bracket, these all under all character match themselves. You can escape the control character by and preceding it with a backlash and following a table list the regular expansion syntax that is available in Python and power dollar symbol and curly bracket and asterisk symbol plus question mark, these all under regular expansion pattern of a regular expansion. Thank you friends, I am given opportunity. It is a brief explanation about the regular expansions in Python. Thank you.